Hi, I'm Raymond, and today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot issues with your Wi-Fi connections on your Chromebook. To do so, we will establish your network connection and troubleshoot issues with your connection. To check your network connection, make sure you're near your router and modem. Next, make sure you know the name of your Wi-Fi network and the password for your Wi-Fi network. To check if you're already connected to Wi-Fi, go to the bottom right where the time is displayed. If you see this full Wi-Fi icon, you are connected. If you see this gray Wi-Fi icon, you are not connected, or your Wi-Fi might be turned off. If you cannot connect, check the connectivity of other devices, like your phone, to the Wi-Fi network. If they too cannot connect, the problem could potentially be with your modem or router. If your modem or router are the problems, restart each device by turning them off or unplugging them. Wait 10 seconds, then turn them back on. If there's still an issue, contact your service provider. Next, let's walk through troubleshooting on your Chromebook. If the modem and router are not the issue, follow these steps and check your connectivity after each one. You may need to update your Chromebook. To do so, click on the time at the bottom right. Click on Settings. Then, About Chrome OS. You will see the version that your Chromebook is current on. You may see that your Chromebook is up to date, or a button that says Check for Updates. Next, you will likely need to restart your Chromebook. To do so, click on the time at the bottom right. Click on the power icon and choose Restart. Wait for your Chromebook to restart. Then log back in with the appropriate username and password for your device. First, disable and re-enable Wi-Fi on your Chromebook. Click the time at the bottom right. Select the Wi-Fi network. Click to turn the Wi-Fi toggle on or off to enable or re-enable the Wi-Fi. The Chromebook will say Wi-Fi is turned on or Wi-Fi is turned off as the toggle shifts. This may take some time as the Chromebook searches for available networks. If you are trying to log on to a public network, like at a cafe or the airport, you will be prompted to accept their terms of service. Once you have selected the public Wi-Fi network from the bottom right, where the time is displayed, then go to the network list. Once you select a public network, you may get an automated prompt to accept terms of service, or you may need to navigate to a website to initiate that prompt. If it's still not working, next, try removing any preferred networks. At the bottom right, select the time. Select Settings, then Network, then Wi-Fi. Select Known Networks. Under Preferred Networks, select the three-dot menu, then select Forget. Repeat that step for every preferred network. Then, at the bottom right, select the time. Click the network list and choose your preferred network to reconnect. Once you have found your Wi-Fi network, click on it. Remember, your Wi-Fi password should not be the same password that you use for your Google account or to log into your Chromebook. Then, click Connect. If you still can't connect, try resolving the issue with the Connectivity Diagnostics tool to determine where the issue is occurring. On the bottom right, select the time. Then, Settings. Then, About Chrome OS. Select Diagnostics. Then, Connectivity. The Wi-Fi Diagnostics should help you identify where there may be an issue. If you still cannot connect, visit the Google Help Center, the Community Forum, or contact your Chromebook manufacturer.